How to fix Instagram new text font style update not working. So if you want to fix Instagram new text font style app not working, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just open up your Play Store. After finding your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, if you have any updates, just simply go and update your Instagram application. And after updating, just go with open, and a problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you can go back and then find your Instagram application. Once you find your Instagram application, you need to tap and hold on to it and then go with the app info. From the app info, you need to just go with storage and cache, and then you need to go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. Once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last way is to open up your Instagram application. After that, go with your profile, which is on the bottom, and go with the top right, which has that three horizontal lines, and then scroll down and you'll find an option of help. You need to tap on help, which will be under your support, and go with report a problem, which will be in the first, and then just go with report problem without shaking, which is on the bottom. Go with don't include, and here you need to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So you need to just enter the details of the new text font style update, which is not working on your device. So explain that, and after explaining, you can also add some screenshots if you want to, and then go with send and report the problem to Instagram. And within a few hours or days, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.